Let's review how to use the Video File Compressor accordion on the video editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the video editor page. Click on the Video File Compressor accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, start by choosing your video source from your device or securely connect to Box, Clio, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Once your video is uploaded, you will see all key details instantly, including duration and playback preview, so you know you're working with the right file. Next, pick the compression level that fits your needs: low for maximum clarity, medium for a balance of quality and size, or high to shrink files for quick sharing or court submissions. When ready, click the compress icon to reduce file size and download immediately with one click. Use Clear to reset if needed. You can share your compressed file securely through email, web link, or feedback. This tool is designed for fast, precise, and reliable video handling, perfect for legal professionals who need results without delays. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Video File Compressor accordion.